Hello guys, today I am going to talk about this setup chair, the office chair. I think this is the most expensive office chair I ever bought. I love office chairs, and I've been giving away to my teachers, giving away to my parents, my relatives, many chairs, and today I think I am going to keep this one because for multiple reasons. Okay, so if you look at the middle console right here, the module controller, look at the handle. Okay, and this style is very strong in structure, and guys, you can have up to like 10-year warranty. There you go. That should be a trigger. That should be a trigger for you to actually buy this office chair. Okay. So first thing, the installation is very easy. You can follow right here. Tell you exactly what to do, what set of screws that you have. But first thing, there are two set of wheels that you can use. This one is actually you can use it on hardwood or hard surface. Okay, like wood or tiles, whatever that you have with the hard surface. Okay, so with this set of wheels, if you have like carpet or something like carpet, and you were afraid that it's going to get caught and then get stuck or rip something out. Sorry, this will not. Okay, so you're never gonna get anything stuck in there. And when you roll, when you push the chair, it's very low in noise. I think it's zero noise level. So today I'm going to install this set of wheel. It looks a lot nicer. This set of wheel itself, I think it's like 30 bucks, 40 bucks already. Okay, second thing, this is a real chrome. Okay, it's not fake. It's not something that they painted over, whatnot. This is real. It's not gonna get rust. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside. Okay, next is the armrest is adjustable. See, you push this in and you can pull it up, pull it down. Okay, right here is a backrest. Okay, so there's a lower back support, and you can actually control this in the back right here. See this? So you can push it forwards, backwards, whatever. So if you sit in like long session like I do, I'm a programmer, and I sit on my chair really long time, and this is super helpful. Okay, just keep my back straight and all. And there's also a headrest that is also adjustable. Okay, so when you plug it in here, you can adjust it up and down. Lastly, and this is the seat itself right there. It looks organized, everything like in place. Okay, so that is the quality that you get from this guy, Duramont. That's what the company name is, Duramont. Okay, so that's all for the introduction. Right now I will install the chair. I'm not going to walk you through it. You should be able to follow the user manual and set it up yourself. Okay, so right now I'm going to set it up, then we're going to talk about it when I'm done. Okay, so while I install this back piece, take a look. See this area? I really like this idea that, you know, they have the whole plate hold in place, so it's not actually moving anywhere. So this back piece doesn't move left or right, it's just right straight in the middle. Okay, that's something that I've never seen before, and just want to show you guys that. Alright, so we are finished putting this chair together. Looking good, isn't it? Okay, move it down here. Armrest go up and down, very smooth. Okay, when you swing the chair, there's no noise, there's no wobbly. This is very thick, okay, and it's breathe through, okay, and also this backrest as well. And here is the headrest. The headrest is actually can go up and down. Okay, you can move it up and down. There's a small button in here to actually stop it from going down any further. So this is the lowest. So the headrest can even bend like that. It's weird, but you know, some people might like it. And this is the max it can go. Alright. Alright guys, take a look at it one more time. Awesome. It's a heavy chair, very comfy, and the way that you lean back is actually smoother, and it's not as difficult as cheaper chairs where you can't like even like push it all the way back, and you can't even lean back if you're like skinny like me. Okay, so this is all, this is it. And here is the lower back support. Okay.